0 plus 1 gives us 1. And 3 times 1 times 3, which equals 9. So 9 divided by this, 9 divided by 9 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because in mathematics, we can't just go left to right or prioritize the operations however we like. We need to follow the order of operations. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 division, 2 multiplications, and 1 parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 addition. Okay? We need to pay attention that here and here we have multiplication. Because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So now, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 0 plus 1, which equals 1. So 9 divided by 3 times 1 and times 3. Now we have 2 multiplications and 1 division. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So now we have to do this division, 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. And 3 times 1 times 3. 3 times 1 gives us 3. And 3 times 3 is just 9. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 9.